Hey guys, welcome back. So let's guys, today I show you a new database working full and let's we start our video. And first of all, you should take, I am telling you how you can add a database virus in your WhatsApp account. So go to your setting, your WhatsApp, and click here backup WhatsApp data. And after clicking here, you will see here the database backup is going. Let me show you. Here you can see this is a backup is ready. So I will provide you link of this database in my comments box, and this database is too much working for WhatsApp beta GP etc. Okay guys, so after this you open this zarchiver application. It will be available in Play Store, and here you click on download option, and now you scroll down and see which is the database you have downloaded. So guys, see here, this is the database of virus and I am showing you. And after this, click here in three dots and click on multiple and click here double tick and scroll down. Here you can see double time here, click also. Wow, you have exacted. So let's go back here, download folder, click here again. This is a file view, click here three dots, again double click. Here is double. Now go to back and open your Android folder media and check your WhatsApp folder. My WhatsApp is green. Here you backup ARC, and here you can see this is a database. Click here and apply for all. After this, go to your WhatsApp, and restore backup. I'm showing you this is my old database, and after this restoring you will see other one interface of database. So this is restored. So here you can see this is restore backup. Man super downloading करनी है. Here you can see here guys, this is lots of viruses available. And if you have got any information in this video, hit like, subscribe my channel for watching more interesting video about WhatsApp and database layer. And you can here see and go back, and here this is a contact virus, and now again go to back, and this is a text virus you can see here. So once again I am saying, hit like my video, give a sweet comments, and press subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, never miss an update. This is a location virus and it will be open if we activate the button of location virus. Okay guys, so I hope you have got it information in this my video. Take care, I catch you in my next video.